This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data and removing device locks. Back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer so you can restore later. This avoids permanent loss. Next, sign out of iCloud by going to Settings, tapping your name, then Sign Out. You'll enter your Apple ID password to confirm. Make sure to turn off Find My iPhone inside iCloud settings. Without that disabled, Apple prevents account removal to protect the device from unauthorized wipes. Once done with device prep, you switch to the Apple ID management site to request deletion. Sign in at Appleid. Apple.com with the account you plan to delete. Navigate to Privacy, then choose Delete Your Account and follow the on-screen verification steps. You'll provide a contact email and receive a unique access code. Keep it safe because it's needed for status checks. Be aware there's a processing period. While Apple verifies identity and pending to finish, confirm the deletion when Apple emails you and note the deletion reference code. This proves your request. Then, erase your iPhone by going to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Transfer, or Reset, right arrow Erase all content and settings. This removes local traces of the account. If something blocks deletion, like active subscriptions, family sharing, or Find My still enabled, make sure those are resolved. And contact Apple support with your reference code for human help. They can clear holds and explain any hold times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.